Hello friend, welcome. So here we want to provide initializer for creating an object of 24Game. Okay, um, so we can use this initialize parameter. What we need, don't worry about that. So to initialize our 24Game, we need to create 4 cards. So actually we need 4 numbers, right? And okay, so that's great, right? For example, card 0 equals our card opening parenthesis number. Yeah, so we need this one, right, to create our first card. So number 0 int, so we can put this one here, right? Whoever wants to create an object of 24Game has to provide like number 0 for the number of our first card. But what about this one? This is not a concrete type, and and we don't know is like the content is a string or an image, and so the creator of this this 24Game better to create a function which will map an int to our card content, like that. So this is the data type, so the function will be card content factory, like that. So we can use this one right here. This is a function call, right? And put in the number 0, so it will map to, it will what? Return without initializer or okay. Yeah. So return from initialize without initialize all stored property, all stored properties we need, right, to create the other 3, the rest 3 of cards, like that. So we'll initialize all of them. Of course, here number 1 also int, number 2 also int for our third card, and then number 3 for our last card. Yeah, so here 1 2 3, here 1 2 3. Okay, so now we provide, right, a way to create our 24Game. Okay, let's make it private, so no one can access that. Copy this and paste that. Who will create this? That's the role of our view model. Okay. Oh, let's move this one to model view model. Okay, put it here. Now let's create our model view model. Okay, create our view model. New file, view model, right? In the design panel, MVVM. VM is the middleman, is the coordinator between the model and the view. So we'll create a class type. Okay, class is good for sharing. Okay, so this one will be our text 24Game, and later on maybe we'll create the image 24Game, which is image. The content type will be an image. Okay, so here okay, let's put it, maybe put it here, so in order, right? Model view model. right? So, oh, because this is the middleman, so it needs to talk with the other parties using SwiftUI and class superclass. We don't need the superclass for this one, so it's text. Sorry, I always type that 24 game, and it will keep, right, one of our game. So is our game, so just game. The data type is 24 game. 24 game. That okay. There's no initializer. There's no initializer, so we need to create our 24 game like that. Oh, okay. So yeah, we have to provide the six things, right? No, five, actually five parameters. The first four for the card value to create a game, and the last one is the factory of mapping the card value to a card content type. Okay, so yeah, so let's use some hard-coded one for now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cards, right? 4 valid cards. What about this one? Enter. Okay, so an int 2, so this is our number, right? So here is the code. We need to return our content, card content. So return. So this one is text based, so let's return a string, right? A string. Does it compile? Command B. What is that? Number 2 here is yeah, that's return a string here, right? Now it compiles, right? Command B. Okay, so it's runnable. Yeah, we cannot return an empty string, right, for our card. It has to be like that, right? Whatever the number, the string will be the string version of the number. Okay, so now we have that. So in the next step, we'll use this guy in our view, right? In our TextTwentyFourGame view. We'll put them together. Let's do it in our next video. Okay, so let's make a commit. So we git status. We created the VM part of our MVVM. So it's this guy in this video. So git and commit -a created view model part of MVVM. This one for our 24 game. That status is clean, so we can push. So yeah, our friends can get the latest code from this GitHub repository. Thank you for watching. See you next time.